recipe of mushrooms. So first of all, take chopped onions, chopped onions,
cut corianders,
and green chilies,
ginger garlic paste, and then cut mushrooms into small pieces. I am doing this.
This was just mega pieces, and mom cut us this.
Then listen carefully, Jahangir. You have to make tomato puree. Then wait for the next step.
Mama, what we have to do?
Okay.
Papa, here is it. I know it. Mama, what we have to do?
I add some spices, some garam masala. Then I am adding onion and
Chopped onions.
yes, chopped onion, and I will cook it for just about 1 minute on a medium low heat. It is too much low, on medium low heat.
Okay. On low heat.
It is slightly not low. Now I am adding
Transparent or not?
yes,
Garlic paste. No, ginger paste.
ginger and garlic both. Ginger garlic paste.
Ginger garlic paste. And then mix. Yes. Yes, what the fragrance?
Only I can smell.
I can also.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Now Mama is adding tomato puree.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is tomato puree.
Wow, a lot of mobile shadow.
Because there is no light due to love of Wabda. we are using searchlights. It's depend on you. How
This is
how spicy you can eat. It's depend on you.
what's called? Lal mirchi.
Yes, red chili.
Red chili. Hey, look, you see look here.
Yes. And then it is
Then what is this?
coriander and dhania powder. Okay, now we are cooking it for about 2 to 3 minutes.
Yum.
Properly. We have to cook properly. As it starts to leave oil, then we will add mushrooms. I am leaving it on low heat and taking out the mushrooms from here.
आग मुझे लगा कि लो पे रखी है अब मैंने आग लो पे रख दी है
Low flame. Medium low, not very much low.
And here are the mushrooms.
Mountain of mushrooms.
Yeah. As you can see the shadow of the mushrooms.
Actually, we don't have light in our kitchen.
पता नहीं काम कर रही है कि ये बहुत हल्की है।
Okay, oil is about to come. Now we will add these mushrooms. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
ये फिर आप ये दोनों पकड़ो।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Mushrooms.
क्या मिला ये में हमने फिर फ्राई करिए ना
Slowly now mix it.
Yummy.
They will leave their own water also.
जल्दी बनाओ।
I am
मुझे खाना है।
putting some salt in it and going to cover it on a like a smear heat. I'm going to put some salt. It will leave now water and cook in it on water. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now everybody.
Coriander?
Wait.
मम्मा मुझे धनिया पड़ेगा.
वो last में for the beautification
Oh.
and taste. Taste it is good for the
Kala kala kala. Janu mama, mushroom.
You dry water until oil again arrive. अच्छा जी और मलिया की बातें.
टटकाना होती है.
These two people are waiting desperately waiting. And
मम्मा दे दो. मम्मा मम्मा.
मम्मा तो खड़ी है. मम्मा क्या दे? हाँ
मशरूम ही.
ओके मशरूम भी दे दे. बस आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग 2 seconds more. मैं
2 seconds.
मैं 2 सेकेंड मैं तुम्हारी बातें सुन के मैं भी वही बोल रही हूँ. आई एम पुटिंग सम ब्लैक पेपर ताकि तीखा लगे और सब लोग कम कम खाएं और मैं ज़्यादा खाऊं. एंड और ये मसाला गया अंदर एंड बस जस्ट स्टीयर इट. माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह. आई एम अ गुड शेफ.
Yes.
ऐसे मुझे लगता है.
तो लगता है हमेशा से क्योंकि आप अंडा भी बहुत टेस्टी.
अंडा भी बहुत टेस्टी बनना.
करेला भी.
करेले भी बहुत टेस्टी
मम्मा
बनना.
जब मैं डालना भी
You too are my
मैं
appreciation.
कच्ची तो नहीं